Today I am going to discuss with you about the ampere rating of battery charger. Here I have a battery of capacity 100H. So what rating of the battery charger should I use with this battery to charge it? I am electrical engineer. To learn about this, please don't skip this video till its last. The battery charger should be 10% to 20% of battery amps. Here we have this battery and its ampere rating is 100 ampere. Okay, so we need to use 10 to 20% of this 100 ampere. Here the 10% of this 100 ampere is 10 ampere, and here the 20% of this 100 ampere is 20 ampere. So for this battery you can use either 10 ampere or 20 ampere. If you use this 10 ampere, then the charging time will be more. If you use 20 ampere, then the charging time will be less and the battery will be charged very easily with less time. When we compare about this 10 ampere and 20 ampere charger, when you use this 20 ampere, the more electrons will be injected to this battery. Due to that, battery will charge very easily with less time. When you use more than this 20%, it will heat up your battery, and due to that your battery will be damaged fastly. You can use this same formula to find out the battery charger for your mobile phone also. Suppose your mobile phone's battery capacity is 4000 milliampere hour. So the 10% of this 4000 will be this one. So the answer is 400 milliampere. So 0.4 amps. And for the 20%, 4000 into 20% means 800 milliampere, means 0.8 amps. So in this case you can use either 0.4 ampere or 0.8 ampere battery charger for your mobile phone. On any battery charger you can see the input ampere and also the output ampere. The 10 or 20% that I have mentioned on both these cases are the output amps, not the input amps. So whenever you purchase, you need to check these amps on the output rating. Nowadays fast chargers are available on the market. You know, in the fast chargers manufacturers are using more than 20% for the battery chargers. So it will destroy your battery because it will heat up your battery very fastly. I hope you have understood about this topic. If so, please like this video. If you want to get more videos with lot of information like this, please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.